It is not true. It is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has sensed his words now. He himself has said that Roe has dissociated from APSU now. He said, and Roe did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is Roe spent 3 crores rupees in APSU movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, this money that is spent or these things are not documented. So you obviously will not have receipts or thing. But
no. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true.
In this atmosphere of charge and counter-charge, a moot point remained. The tribals in Assam were alienated and a new dimension had been added to Assam's turbulent politics. The Bodo agitation directly affects only one Lok Sabha seat, yet it was obvious to the National Front government, which replaced the Congress in the centre, as the tripartite talks continued, that the solution could be found only if genuine grievances of the tribals were addressed to. Meanwhile, however, the Bodo leaders were adamant that nothing short of Bodo land was acceptable to them.
And our thing is very much clear, except Bodo land we are not going to accept.
Bodo land is the only thing that you're going to accept?
Yes.
And if Bodo land is not given to you?
There will be a struggle.
For how long?
Continuously. Till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to menace.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. No. We don't have society.
So your fight will be within the Constitution of India?
Yes,
within the Constitution
yes, definitely. Definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are